Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Canva landscape. So let's say this is what you are working on, or any project for that matter. All you need to do, guys, is come here and click on this here. Click on resize. Okay? So once we click on resize, we have a resize options. You can search up landscape as well. But if you want to manually do this, so we have different landscape options. For example, we have video landscape, card landscape. But if you want to do just for images, we can come here to custom size. And here we have the width and height section. So what I need you to do, guys, for landscape, change this to 1200, okay, by 800 pixels, okay? So 1200 by 800 pixels, that is landscape. So we can click on resize this design. Let me just show you, also show you a preview. So if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click on resize this design. And as you can see, guys, it has been now changed to landscape. So it's still loading up. And I can go ahead and enlarge this image as I see fit. So I can enlarge this, right? Or I can do this way. Whatever you want it to do. And let's get that text as well. And that line. So now this one should look much better in a landscape. So maybe you're posting on another platform where you like it to be landscape. And there you go. Really that easy